What's up, y'all? Thank you very much for choosing us today. So let's get right into it.
My mom is on her way home and she wants me out by the time she get here, all because I didn't cook dinner for her raggedy ass son. Look at him. This is all he does every day, and I'm supposed to cook and clean after him. Oh my God. Look, there's weed everywhere, trash, like, bro, he's dirty. Only 17 years old. This man is 20 years old. He can cook fruit, so. I know she's gonna try to hit me. She's gonna try to hit me again. Oh, she's here. Oh, God.
I'm so glad that nigga died on me today. Well, all right, y'all, I'm gonna talk to you tomorrow. Out these clothes and take my bag. All right.
We're not special.
Oh, no, baby. I know Kira better have her shit packed. Ain't nothing cook, huh? I know you better get your shit and pack it up right now.
But Mom, I don't have anywhere to go.
You got to get the hell out of here. I don't care about that. That's a you problem.
Mom, I didn't cook because I was doing my homework.
Yeah, Hey, baby.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you eat?
Yeah, all I had was some serious shit to cook, baby.
Your brother been you ain't cook shit, all he had was cereal?
Mom, he's 20 years old. Why am I cooking for him? He can cook for himself.
You gonna do the I say in my house and you get your shit and get the out of here.
Y'all see how crazy my mama is.
I know this motherfucker not recording me.
Yes, I am. I'm exposing you.
And you about to make everybody see you get your ass bitch.
And this time you're gonna go to jail. I promise you.
Well, girl, if you don't get the out of my house, I'm gonna hurt you.
I don't have anywhere to go.
I don't give a you go to the moon. Get your chicken head ass out of here.
I was cleaning. That's why, and doing my homework. That's why I did not cook for him.
Your home and your work. Get your shit, get the out of the house.
I don't want to go.
I'ma drag your ass. So you wait a minute.
Mama.
Mama ass. I don't want to hear.
Swear to God. She burned the hell. The only reason why she deals with the only reason why she likes my mother brother is because she's still his dad, because my dad can't stand her, because she's a asshole. This only just what a God.
Alright, folks, let's pause right there. I have more videos of people who are reacting to this, but I don't see the love actually out of this mother, because I'm wondering, is this child actually adopted or what's going on here? The way she's treating her compared to how she's treating the older brother is actually very horrible. And the trauma in the voice of this young girl. She's 17 years old, for God's sake. And she got an older brother who is 20 years old and he cannot go to the kitchen and make his own food. And then the mother comes back home and actually decides to punish, you know, the daughter just because she didn't go and make her lazy ass son some dinner. That doesn't make sense. And guys, as you saw in the video, this 20-year-old older brother actually stays in the room all day smoking and playing video games. How healthy is that? And then you come back and you decide to kick out your daughter just because she didn't make him some dinner, when she tells you she was trying to do some homework, you know, working on herself, working on her future. And you decide to penalize her, you decide to punish someone who's working on her future just because she didn't make some dinner or some food for some lazy guy playing video games and smoking all day in his room. This doesn't make sense to me, guys, because I can't understand how, this is actually the daughter of this woman, because I see no love there. How did we get here? Women, tell me in the comment section, how did we get here? Black women, let me know, because I don't see the love in this woman. Guys, let's listen to some people who actually had a little bit to say about this, and then I'm gonna come back later with some more commentary.
Last night I saw this horrifying video of a 17-year-old girl getting kicked out by her mom because she didn't make food for her 20-year-old brother. The girl records most of the incident on her phone. She is shaking and screaming and just so traumatized. Her anxiety was through the roof, and honestly, so was mine. Her mom's on the phone talking to somebody about work. She's calm. She's acting. She gets off the phone and she's like, well, I hope you packed your bags, and just starts walking through the house like nothing. Mind you, the brother is 20. He's in his room playing video games and smoking. Mom goes in to ask him, have you eaten anything today, baby? He turns around to his mother and goes, no, all I had was cereal. She didn't feel like cooking anything, so that's all I ate. The mom is furious. It turns into this horrible yelling match. The mom is cursing at this girl like she is some stranger on the street. The mother attacks her and then eventually kicks her daughter out with nothing. She's got nothing but her cell phone. The daughter threatened to go to the police. This was uploaded just a couple days ago. I don't have any updates, but I hope she did go to the police. I hope she did press charges for being attacked and assaulted like that. She's also a minor. All of that stuff is completely illegal.
That 17-year-old girl crying out to the internet broke my heart, because there's men in my family that are just like that their moms really believe the mere presence of a man in the house is an achievement, because they couldn't keep none of their baby daddies in the house. They think just having a man's presence is gonna save her. It's gonna be her ticket to heaven. And she probably thinks that loser is gonna be her golden ticket to not getting into a nursing home, because these women really, really believe that man's strength and maybe his ability of actually getting a job means that he'll be able to get paid more, because in her head, she's still a second-class citizen, and that even though she's making good money right now, that he might possibly get a job, make more, and take care of her in the future. That's really what she's thinking. I'm telling you. That's really what she's thinking. She treats her daughter like that, not only because she hates her baby daddy, but because she's jealous of her daughter. And she is purposely keeping her son cradled, dumbing him down. Okay? Purposely dumbing him down. So he's not an able-bodied citizen that could contribute to his own household if he were to move out, because she wants him to depend on her. So she doesn't actually understand that she's doing the quite opposite of helping her cause in case she needs him in the future. Because all that man's gonna do is either try to get her in a nursing home or pass her off to the woman that he ends up marrying. That's even the goal, but pass her off to whatever woman he sees fit to take care of his mother. I feel bad for that girl, because mothers like that are the types that say, my daughter disrespects me, my daughter takes me for granted, my daughter takes advantage of me, my daughter never listened. And then she's crying about having no contact, just because it makes her look bad, not because she actually gives a damn about her daughter. That's the type of mother that lady is. I hope that little girl moves the fuck out. I hope she moves out and never talks to her mother again, because I know exactly how her mother looks at her, and she looks at her daughter like she's a burden, a maid, and a second-class citizen. And like we all know that misogynistic men are narcissists, and they are literally the worst things to walk on earth. But a misogynistic narcissist for a mother who centers men? Oh, they are the death of their daughters. They are the ones who give their daughters nightmares. They are the ones that break their daughter's spirit. Those are the people that are putting their daughters on medication. Those are the people that create some of the most broken, hurt women on this planet. Not just, the fathers that aren't there, because that's a form of abuse. A father who's abandoning you. A father who isn't present. Yeah, that's horrendous. But when you have a mother who's present, who doesn't even see you. You're just invisible to her because she's centering male validation from her son. It is one of the most darkest existences on this planet.
That mom who is mad at her 17-year-old daughter for not fixing her 20-year-old brother something to eat is mad weird to me. Like, it's strange as fuck to me. Like, she walks in the room and asks her son, baby, have you ate? And he said, no, she didn't want to cook, so I ate cereal. And the mom turned around to the daughter and say, you mean to tell me all he ate was cereal? Oh, you finna have to get out of my house. Like, excuse me? And to mind you, it's not like the boy doing nothing major. He ended up smoking and rolling up and on his game, like, why his big grown ass can't fix his own food? Then the mama telling the daughter, oh, you finna have to get out. Oh, you ain't want to cook? I'm finna show you. And then the girl said she record her. Oh, don't record me. I'm finna show them how I beat you. Blase squad. But like, just the whole situation wrong. I just feel like, personally, why is your daughter why are you bringing her up to cater to your son? Like, why do you feel like she has to feed him? Why are you even trying to install that in her? Like, am I tripping? There's no way my daughter is gonna have to cook for her older brothers. Like, no, everybody, like, up the age, baby, fix your own food. It's really that simple. Then you could tell that the girl be going through a lot because the girl is like terrified of her mom, and she tell her mama she ain't got nowhere to go home. I'm like, they ain't got nothing to do with me. You need to kick that big overgrown ass boy out your house. What the fuck?
Yo, I just seen a video of this mom kicking out her daughter just because she didn't cook for her brother. That is 20 years old, playing on the game. Are you serious? I don't know if this is a skit or not. You know, it didn't look like a skit. So, to the mom, do better. What are you talking about? You're gonna kick your daughter out just because she didn't cook for her brother? That's 20 years old. He probably has money in his pockets if he's playing the game. He gotta order out food. What are you talking about? I mean, unless if he's like special ed or, you know what I'm saying? If he's special something, if he has a disability, then I'll be like, okay. But he don't look like he don't look like he has no disability. That is sad. Disgraceful if you can't cook for yourself at 20 years old. 20, you can't cook for yourself. Are you serious? I bet he can't even do the laundry by himself. That's sad. Sad. Why as a mother you cutting away your son like this? Are you serious? Putting all this stress on the daughter. For what? Come on.
So I came across this video, right? How this 17-year-old girl got kicked out because she didn't cook for her brother or whatever, right? Granted, this situation happened like back in August. I hope that the girl is like, you know, she's good now. But I came across it and I kind of want to talk about it. With some of the videos that I seen, and it was people pretty much regurgitating what happened. It was like a lot of chicks getting on the fact that, oh, it's just because of it's a dude or whatever. And it's just like, be for real. In my eyes, I feel like that's 100% on the parent. Like, both of those kids are your kids. Therefore, you should be the one taking care of them. They should not have to take care of each other. Well, to a degree, at least. And I get that there are some households that genuinely believe that the women should be taking care of the men. But as far as what I'm told, that whole situation isn't entirely on him. It's all on the mom. It's not your daughter's job to take care of your son. Plus, on top of that, she was doing her own thing. Apparently, because, you know, I haven't seen the actual video myself, but apparently she was doing homework. She's trying to get herself together. Meanwhile, the son is like 20 or so, meaning that he's the age to where he could go out and get something to eat himself, or he could cook himself. But if that lady wanted to view it that big of a deal, then she should have cooked for her son.
Alright folks, we had actually what some couple of people had actually to say about this. When I saw this video, I could not believe my eyes. I actually thought it was a skit. I thought they were acting. And then I tried to do a little bit of research, and it seemed real. The more that I researched, the more that I had to some people who are commenting about this. This is absurd. This is horrible. This is traumatizing. I cannot actually believe what was going through this young girl's mind. Being 17 years old and having a mother like that actually is unbelievable. I could never wish that on any young girl's life, because this mother absolutely, as we have seen, shows no love to her. He decides to favor his older brother just because she's still clapping his older brother's, you know, dad, and the young girl's dad cannot stand her. This is unbelievable. How can you treat your own daughter like that? It doesn't matter how the relationship is with her father, but she's still your own daughter. How can you treat her like that? And then to throw her out in the street in the middle of the night, guys, this is unbelievable. I can't believe even where this young girl went in the middle of the night. This is strange. I hope she pressed charges because this is illegal. She's a minor. You know, this is illegal. You cannot kick out a minor, especially in the middle of the night. This is illegal. I hope she pressed some charges and the case was actually looked into. Man, I don't know even what to say. I could not believe. Did you hear how this young lady was speaking and shaking in her voice? I really cannot imagine the trauma that she was going through, as actually she has to put up with this every day of her life. And for her to film this, maybe this is not the first time. This is what has been going on in that household. And I'm glad that she filmed this for the world to see. Maybe someone is gonna come to her rescue. Maybe she's gonna get some foster parents to take care of her, but she cannot actually continue living in such a household. That is too toxic. I don't know where this woman is coming from, because I did not see this coming from black women. If you're a black woman actually watching this, tell me in the comment section, what do you think about this video? Thank you very much for watching this far, guys. If you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe, like the video, it's gonna help with the algorithm, and also hit the notification bell for more videos like this. As always, guys, see you in the next episode.